Okay, good morning dear students. Today we'll continue the next part of the 1.3 AP. Yesterday we have solved 14 problems related to this exercise. This one is the last exercise of this chapter. So these are the 4 or 6 more problems to complete this chapter. Let us see what they have given in the problem. See, a contract on a construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion behind certain date as follows. Rupees 200 for first day, rupees 250 for the second day, rupees 300 for third day, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than for the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if has delayed the work by 30 days. Okay, let us write the procedure in mathematical format. Say penalty pattern. Penalty pattern. First day, $200. Second day, $250. Third day, $300, etc. So 200 plus 250 plus 350 dash dash is the pattern of the penalty. So obviously it is in AP. A equals to 200, B equals to A2 minus A1, that is 50, then A equals to 200, D equals to A2 minus A1, that is A2 minus A1 is the common difference. So which formula is suitable for this one? N has given up to 30 days. So Sn equals to N by 2 in the big bracket 2A plus N minus 1 into D, because he has asked us to calculate the penalty for 30 days. So Sn equals to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. N by 2, 30 by 2. 2 into A, 200 plus N minus 1, that is 30 minus 1 into D, it is 50. Okay, next 2 ones are 2 15s are. So S30 equals to 15 in the big bracket, 200 into 2, 400 plus 30 minus 1, that is 29 into 50. So 15 in the big bracket, 400 plus 50, 29 50s are. So 15 into, that is 1850. 1850. 15 into 1850 is 27 50. the penalty to be paid for delayed work that is yes 30. See, the problem has given clearly the terms of AP, that is 200, 250, the third one 300. So we have written that in mathematical format, that is 200 plus 250 plus 350 dash dash and so on. So we have calculated the first term as well as D, then n equals to 30 because they have asked us to calculate the penalty delay for the delayed work up to 30 days. So we have considered n as 30 by using the well-known formula related to sum to n terms, that is Sn equals to n by 2 to a plus n minus 1. This is the procedure of simplification. So once again you observe this one. Let us move to the second one. See, this one is the 16th. Read the problem. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes. See how much the amount. Within the 700 rupees, we have to utilize the 700 rupees to give the 7 prizes to the students of school for their overall academic performance. For academic performance, they have kept rupees 700 as a prize money. So, according to given statement, the pattern of prize distribution first prize let it be A by statement second prize A minus 20, third prize A minus 40. So the sum is given, that is Sn 700, n that is 7 cash prize, that is n7. So A plus A minus 20 plus A minus 40 plus dash dash. Therefore, A equals to A, B equals to A2 minus A1, that is A minus 20 minus A plus A minus A gets cancelled, that is D equals to minus 20. Then by using Sn equals to n by 2 in the big bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into d. N into d. Okay. Then Sn, how much? 700 they have given. N by 2. 7 by 2. 2. A equals to A. 7 minus 1 into D minus 20. Okay. 700 equals to 7 by 2. 2A plus 7 minus 1, 6 into minus 20. So 700 7 by 2 2A plus into minus 120. Okay, 700 7 by 2 into C. 2 is common, remaining A minus 60. 2 gets cancelled. Then 700 by 7 equals to A minus 60. 7 ones are 700s are. 100 equals to A minus 60. Therefore 100 plus 60 equals to A. That implies 160. Therefore prize money first prize second prize third prize fourth prize fifth prize sixth prize seventh prize. First prize is 160. Second prize 120 less 140. 20 less 120. 20 less 100. 20 less 80. 20 less 60. 20 less 40. These are the prize money given in the academic year for 7 prizes. For 7 prizes. See, the problem clearly gives a details of the one of the best AP pattern. We have to consider the pattern of that AP according to the statement of the problem. Let the first prize be A. The second prize 20 less than rupees 20 less than will be the second prize. So second will be A minus 20. Then minus 20, that is minus 40. The third prize will be A minus 40, and so on. We have to write the given data clearly. Then we have to substitute the formula values in the formula Sn equals to n by 2 2A plus n minus 1 into d. Then simplify the given that substituted values carefully. Then we will get the first term, that A, as a first prize as rupees 160. Then for each prize 20 rupees less. So 160 minus 20, 140, 140 minus 20, 120, 120 minus 20, 100, 100 minus 20, 80, 80 minus 20, 60, 60 minus 20, 40. See, there are 7 prizes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For verification, you add all those things, you will get 700 as sum. See, this one is question number 17. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. To reduce air pollution, they have thought to plant the trees. See, in what manner they have thought to plant the trees? Each section, see, it was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. So, let us write how many plants each class will plant. Classes, number of trees. Say class 1. What is the condition? There are 3 classes. They have to plant. Each class have to plant 3 trees. So 3 1 the number of trees will be 3. Then for class 2nd, they are having that 2 second class. Each class have to plant 3 trees. 2 trees are 6. Then in 3rd class they also have to 3 trees are 9. Then 4th class they have 4 trees are 12. Dash 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 up to there are 12 classes. 12 into 3, that is 12 trees are 36. This is the pattern of planting the trees. So let us write in AP. That is 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus dash 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 up to plus 36. See, A equals to 3. D equals to A2 minus A1. That is 6 minus 3, which is equals to 3. Then Anth is given, that is 36. We have to find N and Snth. N equals to question mark, Snth equals to question mark. So, Anth, A plus N minus 1 into D. That Anth is given, that last term 36 equals to A, that is 3, plus N minus 1, that is D, 3. 36 equals to 3 plus 3n minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 cancels. Therefore, n equals to 36 divided by 3. Let us take one more step. 36 equals to 3n, n equals to 36 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 12s are. So n equals to 12. After getting number of terms as 12, we have to use the formula now. Snth equals to n by 2 in the big bracket A plus L, that is L equals to nothing but so Snth S12 equals to 12 by 2, the big bracket A3 plus L last term, that is 36. So 2 ones are 2 6 are 6 into 36 plus 3, 39. That is equals to that is last term 36. 2 ones are 2 6 are. S12 equals to 234. See, what they have given. Once again I will explain that one. Here the pattern of planting the tree is given. If you are in first standard, you have to plant only one plant. Then there are three classes. How many plants you have to plant that one? That is 3. Then in second standard also there are 3 classes. Each class have to plant one trees. That is the second standard 2 trees are 6 plants they have to plant. Then third standard they also in similar manner they have to plant the trees. 3 trees are 9. In fourth they have to plant 3 trees. That is 12. Then there are up to 12th standard. So the last the number of plants for last class, number of plants planted by this class, that is 12th class. 12 into 3, 12 trees are 36. So this will be the pattern of AP. 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 up to 36. Then we have considered the data. Then by applying the nth we have calculated the number of terms as 12. Then by using the SN formula, since last term is given, that is n by 2 a plus l. 12 by 2 into 3 plus 36. 2 1s are 2 6 are 2 1s are 2 6 are 6 into 36 plus 39. 36 plus 3 39. Then 6 9s are 54. Carry 5. 6 3s are 18 plus 5. That is 23. Yes, 12 equals to 234. What we have to write for the completion of that question? The school students planted the 234 trees. How many trees they have planted? 234 trees. Okay. See the solution once again. See, today I have given you only 2 homework. That is sum of rupees 280 is to be used to award that prize related question. Already I have solved this type of question. Then this one is the previous problem. That means we have solved in the third or fourth main of this exercise. So referring that solutions, you have to solve this one. Read the problem clearly and solve correctly. Okay, thank you.